Hello again, everyone. We got another trio of loose Chibikkos I picked up here locally. I couldn't find images of these two cars in a cartoon deformation, but I was able to find at least one. But we'll go in chronological time. So this first one here is a Toyopet Crown, and it's number 43 as far as the casting number goes. Let's see, standard Chibikko kind of wheels, multi-spokes, very chromed out. What's cool is this silver stripe is printed on nicely. It's not a sticker, by the way. It's actually tampo printed. Same with this text. So I think this might be a fire car. A firehouse car or something? Something to do with fire? Maybe I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. I can't read Japanese. Anyways, we have the headlights are clear plastic, although it's so dark that they look black. Let me just double check on that. But I think all these Chibikkos are one piece of plastic, and they're just well painted. Yeah, see the lights getting in there. So, yeah, it's quite amazing what ChoroQ is able to do with one piece of plastic. All the silver, chrome work is there. These windows are actually recessed a little bit. That probably helps get the paint on there. The casted in bumper is silver. This grill's got some details and black around it. A ridge there, maybe a hatch for air. This is actually a split windshield. Interesting. That's raised, or the window is recessed, one or the other. This side has that nice printing on it again. And then the taillights are painted red, even though it's a red car. So they went through that process. Hinges on the trunk. Very cool. And then usually there's a date on the bottom of these. So this thing is from 2007. Standard construction of a screw in the front and a tab in the back. And then it has rubber tires, and they tend to stay soft. These are still soft. And these are all wind-up toys, so yeah, they go pretty fast, but I don't play with these things. So cool. It's kind of an ugly car. What do you guys think? Yeah, they're definitely, the real crown of this year. Kind of an ugly car, but alright, so this one, yeah, I found these images. This is a Toyota Sports800. So it's casting number 18. There's many different liveries. I actually have this in a different color already, but I'll show it at the end. So it's nice that they have at least another type of wheel, 5-spoke mags. Unfortunately, they're not passing air, but these are toys. They're literally toys for kids to wind up and play with. Tampo printed number 7 racing number there is nice. It's kind of weird. Why is this recessed? That could be a casting defect. There's a little vent here on the back here, it looks like. Silver trim work looks nice. The windows are recessed again. So clear headlights. The whole body again is this dark plastic. It's trying to hide the motor. That's why they do that. Venting details are really crisp and nicely done. Louvers above the tires. Hinges. The badge sticking up. The number 7 is nice. And good separation between this aqua and the dark blue. Maybe a little got into the crack there. Silver looks good around the headlight, and a little silver in this grill. This grill goes in quite a bit, actually. It's a really weird grill, how they split the chrome and it's just recessed there. Some bumperettes. This side here looks alright. And then some taillights, but sadly they always had these coin holders. That's what these boxes are on the back. They're meant to hold a coin so it does a wheelie. Again, it's a toy. I just wish they just didn't have those things at all. So hinges on the back, maybe a fuel filler, a light, and a lock. So very nice. Silver around the rear glass as well. I think this might be a T-top in the real life. That would be the only explanation for that line to me. Yeah, this is from 2007 as well. Maybe there was a Toyota collection that year. Okay. So the last one is a really cool one. This Celica LB Turbo. So it's a wide-bodied Celica, casting number 49. So we have the taillights printed pretty nice, silver with red in the middle. And these are vents, I think, on the real car, so that's why they're just printed black. The wing is literally passing air, so that's kind of neat. I mean, if this was Mattel, I'm not sure if they would do that on... Well, I guess they do that often. Seems to be a separate piece here. Okay. So some racing number area, but no actual number. It's kind of weird they would have printed a number in there. Back to these wheels here. I kind of feel like this should have the 5-spoke mags on it as well, being a racing car. Alright, just a little black maybe around the windows. I'm not sure. It could be an illusion. but yeah, clear plastic again. You can kind of see the motor in there. Some vent grooves here, and then again, racing graphic, but no number, which is a shame. I think the headlights are in here, so that's all clear plastic, and then the grille has got these black streaks going on. Yeah, there's also some venting back here. So actually this has probably the least detail of the three, although I think it might be the coolest looking casting. Hard to say. This is from when? 2007 again, so definitely a Toyota wave. You can see the clearness of the plastic here. Yeah, but from out front it looks pretty opaque. Okay. So let me get the spin coaster out. I have a few other Toyotas. I think we can actually do this on a CD size coaster today. Let's get the weight onto it though so it starts spinning. Maybe this one's dead. No, it's not. Alright, so here's that other Sports 800 I bought a while back. And it's got a nice metallic teal color, I guess. So you'll see the casting number should be identical. Yeah, it's just the livery changes. So keep that in mind, what the numbering scheme that these guys use. I was thinking about selling this, but maybe I'll keep it because it is so different than the racing one. So this next one is a Toyota 2000 GT, casting number 4. I picked all these up loose so they're a bit stained and all that. I patted some black paint into the spoke recesses on this one. This one has painted headlights. Interesting. It's kind of a weird looking car and deformed shape. And then here we have a Toyota Crown police car, I believe. It doesn't really say, but I'm pretty sure it's a Crown Comfort police car. And it was used again, so this one literally was scratched up and painted over by some previous owner. This also says 2007. So, what about these other ones? This one, no, that's a whole different printing format. It looks like 2003, that one. What about this one? 2004. Okay, so yeah, they're going back using the castings over again. This one's nice. It's got little lights in the grill, although it's not centered well. So it seems to be an add-on part as well as up here. Yeah, to see, I think this solar spinner might be dying. I don't know what causes them to die, but or it's just too much weight. Let me put a flashlight on it and see what happens. I guess it's just too much weight. Okay, so yeah, the crown looks quite huge. Give you a top view. So Chibikko, they do a good job getting in a lot of details into something so small. I mean, here's my thumb, right? So it's pretty impressive. I guess the only criticism for this round is I wish a race car actually had race numbers, you know, especially when they could do it on that one. It seems like they kind of got lazy. Alright, thank you for watching today. I'll see you in the next Chibikko video. Bye.